Welcome to the Frugal Watch Box channel. Today, I am thrilled to unbox the vintage Casio with a stunning blue dial, the AQ-230A-2A1. Notice the improved packaging this time. The Casio box is enclosed in a sturdy cardboard box. The watch is well protected with bubble wrapping, ensuring it arrives safely. Excitingly, it's my first time receiving a Casio watch in a distinctive grey box, and it's intact. The watch is carefully wrapped in plastic, and there is a sponge beneath the bracelet for added protection. Now, let's dive into the details. Look at the beautiful blue dial. Let's start by removing the watch tag to get a closer look. The model number for this blue beauty is AQ-230A-2A1 MQDF. Let's peel off the protective sticker from the mesmerizing blue dial, revealing its true splendor. The watch boasts a dual display analog with 2 silver hands for hours and minutes, and a digital display at the bottom. Notice the captivating sunburst effect of the dial, complemented by a resin ion-plated and resin glass. The Casio AQ-230 is water-resistant up to 30 meters, making it versatile for various occasions. Explore the digital display featuring world time, stopwatch, alarm, hourly signal, auto calendar, and an impressive accuracy of ±30 seconds per month. At just Malaysian ringgit 125 or $26, it's an affordable yet stylish timepiece. With a case width of 29.8 mm, lug to lug of about 38.8 mm, thickness of 8.1 mm, and lug size of 18 mm. Here's a quick comparison with the white dial AQ-230. Observe the captivating blue dial exudes a heightened level of appeal. The stainless steel bracelet features an adjustable clasp adorned with the Casio logo. Flip it over and you'll find a durable stainless steel case back. Let's try it on my 6.5-inch wrist. Perfect fit. This watch is highly recommended for those with smaller wrists, be it male or female. Thanks for joining me in this unboxing experience. See you in the next video.